So we're going to try something new today. We're going to be doing our video with our magnetic board that I have here. And so bear with me because there'll have to be some changes that I'll have to make throughout our lesson. But let's begin by getting out our math packets and turning to page 10 and page 11 today. We'll be working through those pages with examples up on the board. If you've already done it, go ahead and just watch the video. It's going to be good for you. You'll be able to do some counting practice and then remind yourself also how to correctly make those numbers when you're writing these numbers on your papers. All right, the first number that we're going to work on is the number 7. We slide across and down from heaven. That's how we make our number 7. And our job now is to figure out if the yellow group or the red group has 7 in it. Now look at both groups before you go ahead and count. Can you make a guess as to which one will have 7 objects in it before you even count? All right, let's see if your guess is correct. Let's count our yellow counters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you count with me? If not, rewind and try it again with me. Is that the same number as this one? 8. No, this is a 7. Let's count the other group to see if this has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some of you might say, Mrs. Parmenter, you don't even need to count that group. You can look and see that there's one missing, and 1 less than 8 is 7. So that is the group that I should circle. Take your pencil and go ahead and give that a circle on your paper. Now I'm going to move these around as I am. I'm going to encourage you to continue counting objects. Maybe you go ahead and play the game where you put your hand in a jar of something and you pull out as many as you can and you count all of those objects. Okay, moving on to our next practice. Our next practice is going to be the number 8. Start right here and say it with me. S for Super Socks. Close the gate. That's how we make the number 8. Try it again with me. S for Super Socks. Close the gate. That's how we make the number 8. Now we have a yellow group and a red group. We're going to count and see which group has 8 things in it. Let's go ahead and count the yellow group first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that the number that we're working on? It sure is. Let's go ahead and circle that on our paper. Now, let's go ahead and make a comparison. See how the yellow and the reds are set up similarly? This one looks like it's missing a counter, and this one looks like it's filled in. If we added one more counter to this group, we would have the same as this one. How many are in this group? 1 more than 8 is 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You were right. Now we're going to go ahead and move these around. And as I am moving these around, I'm going to also encourage you to continue practicing up to 100. Remember, that was a big goal of ours this year, to get all the way to 100. Now we're going to do one more together, and you'll be doing the rest on your own today. Here's this right here, all set up for our next problem. Here we go. This is the number 6. Curve around, big belly. Stop when you get to that line again. All right, which group do you think has 6 in it? Have you made a prediction? Let's go ahead and count both groups and see which one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, not enough. Look at how they're arranged. Do you see that this one has 1 more? 5, and 1 more is 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we already knew that there were 6 here, we counted so that we could check our work. Circle this group on your page. Now, you have some moons, triangles, sunshines. You need to make sure that those groups show the number 6, the number 7, and the number 8 in their groups. Practice writing your numbers the correct way and making groups of objects that match that number.